Hi children, today's subject is Wordsmith English Conversation Book, page number 37, Occupation. Before starting this chapter, I want to tell you what is occupation. Children, you know what teacher is doing to you? I'm your ma'am. I'm teaching to you, right? This is my occupation. What do? I teach you. Same way, everybody have their own occupations. Example, your father. If your father is going to office, he is working in the office. It is his occupation. So many people around you would have seen, no? So these are the pictures of their occupation. Let us all go through what and all these people are doing the occupation, which occupation they belongs to. Let us see in this chapter. Okay, first one is a architect. An architect designs the building. This man is an architect. He designs the buildings. Tall buildings, apartments, everything will be designed by an architect. If your father or your uncle is an architect, what does he do? He designs the building. Then one more, he's a farmer. How do we get a food? By a farmer. A farmer grows the crop. What does he do? He grows the crop. Without him, we can't stay in our house. Why? He will design a beautiful house. He's an architect. Okay. Then he's a plumber. A plumber fixes taps and water pipes. Somewhere it is a leakage in your house. So who will we call? We call a plumber. Without him, our taps doesn't work. We doesn't get a water. If we get a water from a tap, he is needed. His name is a plumber. What is his occupation? Plumber. He is an astronomer. What is astronomer? An astronomer observes the stars. See, he's observing the stars. Why he is observing the stars? So he want to know which star, what and all happens in the sky. He will look after. He is an astronomer who observes the star, moon, sun, everything. He'll observe it. Okay, he is an astronomer. So next we have horticulture. What do you mean by horticulture? A horticulturist studies plant. See, he is studying the plant. Why he has to study the plant? Why he has to study is because in our plant some dead leaves will be there. So we have to take it. We doesn't know how to do it. He makes to grow big tree, tall tree soon. So he is an horticulturist. He will study about the plants. See, this is rose plant. So what and all color we can make, everything he will what he will do? He will study about the plants, how and all we have to do, what else and all. Okay. Who is he? Why he is carrying such a luggage? Potter is a potter. A potter carries over luggages. You would have seen in the railway stations, no, they'll be red color. They'll be wearing a red color shirts, no. What they do, as soon as the passengers come out, if they brings a heavy luggage, they carry near to the parking. So they are porter. Hey, wow! Colorful buns we have here. Who is he? He's a baker. Where do we see a baker? We see a baker in bakeries, right? He will bake cake and breads. He'll bake cake and breads, no? You would have seen him in a bakery, no? He's a baker. What is his occupation? Baker. Bakery people, uncle and all, what does they do? They are a baker. Then we have a grocer. Green grocer. See, He has a full of green vegetables now. So we call a greengrocer. The greengrocer sells vegetables. What this uncle is doing? He's selling vegetables. Next, we are gonna come to mason. What's mason? A mason work with stone and bricks. Without him, we can't construct a house. He's a mason who works with the stone and bricks. Then next picture we have fruiter. Fruiterer. A fruiterer sells the fruit. See what this fruiterer is doing? He have an apple, banana, pear and the grapes. He is a fruiterer. What does he do? He sells the fruit. What is his occupation? Fruit seller or fruiterer. He is a soldier. What does a soldier do? Why he is having a gun with him? So he protects us from enemies of the country. Who protects the enemies of the country? Soldier. Without him, we can't stay safe at home because he will help us from the enemies. Okay. Next picture we have a goldsmith. Who is goldsmith? Your mother will wear ornaments, right? Gold ornaments, chain, necklace, and earrings. It is made by a goldsmith. Goldsmith makes ornaments of gold. What is ornaments? Ornaments means whichever made up of gold, like chain, bracelet, and earrings, nose pin. This all comes under goldsmith. He works on the gold. So he is called as goldsmith. What is his work? Goldsmith. Then we have a scientist here. What is his occupation? Why he is doing something there? A person with great knowledge of science. A scientist performs experiment to find out more information. Now we have a COVID, no? So COVID, what medicine is not available? No, these people will help us to find the medicine. They will work on it. Okay, soon they will find a medicine. So what is their work? He is a scientist. What does he do? He do an experiment to find out more information. More information in the sense new medicines. Everything they'll do. Okay, medicines, whichever is required as per the science, they will do a experiments. Then we have a pilot. You all would have gone in a flight, no? In aeroplane or helicopter. Who will drive? A pilot. A pilot flies planes. Who will drive the plane? Pilot. He is a pilot. Who will drive? Who will flies the plane, aeroplane, helicopter? Who will fly? No. Who will sit and make it fly? No. They are called as pilot. So they are florist. Florist means what? A flower seller. Who will sell a beautiful flowers? They are called as florist. Okay. Next we are going to the page number 38. 38 we have who can help you? Who can help you? Choose a correct answer. Whom will you call if the water tap in your bathroom is leaking? See, in this picture I told you he is a scientist who will design the buildings. He is a farmer who will grow the crops. He is a plumber. A plumber will fix the taps and water pipes. So he is a astronomer. In this picture, whom do you choose? Plumber. See, in this picture, whom do you choose? He is a plumber who will fix the taps in your bathroom or in kitchen, wherever you have a tap. Who will fix? Plumber. This is his occupation. See, the water tap in your bathroom is leaking. Who will rectify it? Plumber or laundryman or potter. Potter carries a luggage, laundryman carries a cloth which is ironed, and potter who will fix your pipe. So fix your tap. We will call plumber. Okay. You are at a railway station with a lots of luggage. You cannot carry by yourself. See, I told you before itself when I do the lesson. You are in a railway station with lots of luggage. So whom you call? Scientist. Scientist, what is his occupation? He will introduce new informations. Plumber, he is here only. What does he do? He will repair your taps. He is a porter. Porter, what does he do? He will carry a huge luggage. See, he is a porter. He will carry a huge luggage. So we call him to carry our luggage in railway stations. Okay. You want to grow a garden and need some good advice. I told you, you have a pot, we doesn't know how to grow. If dead leaves are there, how to take it, we doesn't know. No, we want a advice. Whom we will call? Flowerist is a seller of flower. In this picture, you have a flowerist. He will sell the flowers. We can't call him. Farmer picture is there. Farmer will only grow the crops. Even he doesn't know. We should not call him. He's a horticulturist who will study of plants. We have to call horticulture. Okay. Then again we have the brick wall in your garden is damaged. See, in your garden, brick wall is damaged, it seems. Okay. We have a baker here. Baker, why we want, if we want to eat some cake or bun, breads, we have to call him or we have to take with him. She is a hair osterer. She will help you in aeroplane. If you need something, she will help you in it. Here we have mason who is working with the brick. We have to call mason. Okay. See children, whom you call next main, second main, whom will you go to when? Do you want to buy some fruits? See, he's a doctor. If you want to buy some fruits, you'll go to doctor. No. Fruit seller. Fruiter. If you want fruit, where you'll go? Fruiter or flowerist? Fruiterer or fruit seller. We have to go to fruit seller and buy some fruits. Okay. You want to buy a birthday cake. Where will you go? Grocerer. Grocerer means what? He will sell vegetables. Baker means only bakery items you get. Like bun, bread, biscuits and all. Here we have policeman. Policeman we can go. No. Birthday cake means we want bakerer. Yes or no? When you want to buy flowers. When you want to buy flowers, where will you go? Plumber or potterer or flowerist. Potterer, who is potterer? Who will carry a luggage. Plumber, who fix the tap. Florist, whom we will get a flower. He is here, florist. So we have to go to him. When you want to buy a vegetable, where will you go? Will you go to greengrocer or fruiterer or flowerist? We have to go to greengrocer. Greengrocer sells vegetables. Fruiterer sells only fruit. Flowerist sells only the flower. Okay. Next chapter we have community helpers. In community helper, page number 39. Who are community helpers? Let me see. First we have a watchman. What does a watchman do? A watchman guards houses, homes. Okay, a watchman will guard your. God means what? He will protect you from thieves. Okay. So he is a watchman. In night only he will work. Okay. Next, traffic police. A traffic police monitorize traffic. See if it is where huge vehicle coming this way and that way. He will monitorize the traffic. Sometimes you will be stuck in traffic, no? So that side vehicle will be moving, right? So they'll make you to stop. So his work is traffic police. He is helping us. If he is not there, what will happen? We'll go under accident. So he is avoiding accident. He is helping us from thieves. Thieves will come to house, no? So he will help us. Then we have a school caretakers. School caretakers, no? In our school also we have nanny, no? A school caretaker look after school building. Nannies we have, and bio also we have, no? So who are they? They are school taker who will look after school buildings. Then we have a railway guard. A railway guard works for the safety of the passenger in train. You would have seen, no, railway guard. Where you would have seen? They will come in your train, huh? Yes, they'll come in your train. So railway guard works for the safety of the passenger in train. He'll be in last compartment or first compartment. He will be monitorizing all the passengers for the safety. Okay. He is a veterinarian. He is a doctor. Okay. A doctor who will only only giving treatment for the animals. They are called as veterinary doctors. A veterinary treats animal when they are ill. See, we will be ill means we will go to normal hospitals. If animals are ill, they should also go to hospital, no? So who are the doctors? Normal hospital, have you seen any animals bringing? No, they won't take. Only for human beings, separate hospital we have. It's a normal hospital. If they treat for animals, it is called veterinary hospital. So there, only for the animals they'll be treating it. If your dog or any other animal is ill, this doctor will help them to cure. Okay, he or she is an animal doctor. If lady means we have to pronounce she is a man. So he we should pronounce. Okay. They are refuse collector. Daily without them, what happens? Without them, what happens? Garbage will be stored in our house, no? So they are refuse collector. Daily you will be throwing the garbage in the vehicle, no? They'll collect and go, no? They are called refuse collector. We say BBMB vehicle has come. We have to throw the garbage, no? We have to use refuse collector. A refuse collector collects refuse garbage from buildings and other public places. Everywhere they'll go, no? They'll be sweeping in the roads and all, no? They are called as refuse collectors. Okay. Then this is lifeguard. A lifeguard takes care of your safety at swimming pools and seashores. You have seen in seashores, no? What is seashores? You'll go to beach, or if you go to some swimming pools, you can see a lifeguard. He will be having a binocular. He is having a binocular, no? So in that he'll be seeing your safety. So are you safe or what? He'll be look aftering you. Then we have a zookeeper. You would have seen many animals caretaken, right? So what they will do, they'll take care of the animals. They are zookeeper. A zookeeper take care of animals in the zoo. They will feed the vegetables. They will feed the food for the animals time to time. So what does it need? And if it needs water, they'll keep water. If it is empty, next water bottle they'll keep. And whatever is necessary for animals, time to time they will look after. So they are called as zookeeper. Okay, without them animals will die. So we call as zookeepers. Okay, parents make your children to go through this chapter, occupation page number 37, and community helpers page number 39. Thank you.